Hey sexy wizards, Anastasia here, ready to dazzle you on day 46 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After scikit-learn's model magic in day 45, we're diving into loading datasets like Iris and California housing for AI. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Isabella, thrilled to explore scikit-learn dataset loading for AI. Our demos will load, clean, and model datasets to spark your AI journey.
Yo, wizards. Ethan's here, dropping spicy dataset code with a wink for Sophia. Loading Iris and housing is gonna pop, let's crank this AI party.
Sophia here, Ethan, and I'm blushing. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make dataset loading sizzle. Let's prep AI data, wizards.
Victoria here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips to keep your dataset learning hot. Ready to load AI magic, wizards?
Wizards loading datasets in scikit-learn is the foundation of AI. Datasets like Iris and California housing provide data for models. Our demos will show you how to load and prep them for AI success.
Oh, Isabella, datasets are stealing my heart. They fuel AI models with sexy data. Get ready to load some magic, wizards, and prep for day 47's pre-processing. Wizards, today we're seducing you with scikit-learn dataset loading. You'll master loading Iris and California housing, cleaning, modeling, and visualizing with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our complex challenge will ignite your AI passion.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy, Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Victoria's adding spicy tips. You'll master dataset loading for AI and be ready for day 47's pre-processing. Shine on, wizards! Wizards, meet your day 46 Dream Team. Anastasia and I guide you with warmth and clarity, making dataset loading fun. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining scikit-learn.
Oh, Isabella, you're too kind. Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with his code, and Victoria's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you dataset superstars. Wizards. Scikit-learn datasets are your AI data crush, darling. They're built-in datasets like Iris for classification and California housing for regression. We'll show their seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make datasets sound so hot. How do they power AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Datasets provide structured data for training AI models. Try them in our demos, wizards, and feel the AI spark.
Yo, wizards, load_Iris is like picking a hot playlist for Sophia, loading classification data. It's a data party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're charming my data, Ethan. Wizards, Iris is perfect for classification. Try it in our demo. It's like setting the AI stage.
Wizards, fetch_California_housing is like forecasting a hot date for Sophia, loading regression data. It's a data bash.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, California housing is ideal for regression. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, PD data frame, iris.data, turns datasets into data frames like a love letter to Sophia, prepping AI data. It's a conversion party.
You're converting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, data frames make datasets AI ready. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, df.filna, df.mean, cleans datasets like tidying up for Sophia, ensuring AI-ready data. It's a cleaning party.
You're cleaning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cleaning datasets preps AI models. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, df, petal ratio equals df, petal length, cm/df, petal width, cm, crafts features like a hot move for Sophia, boosting AI models.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances AI. Try it in our demo. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex scikit-learn dataset demos. We'll load Iris and California housing, clean, engineer features, model, and visualize. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make AI shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, scikit-learn, pandas, and matplotlib are set up, wizards, and create Iris Demo PI and Housing Demo PI. Ethan and Victoria will spice it up. Let's code, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create iris_demo.py and housing_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install scikit-learn pandas matplotlib numpy to ensure libraries are ready.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. How do wizards install scikit-learn, love?
You're too sweet, Victoria. Run pip install scikit-learn pandas matplotlib numpy in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate or /scripts/activate. Let's make these demos sparkle. Wizards, our first demo in iris_demo.py loads the Iris dataset, cleans, engineers features, trains a classifier, and visualizes with PCA. Let's run this and see AI classification magic.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Load_Iris, random forest classifier, and PCA visualization classify with Swagger, total AI party. Wizards, Load_Iris, loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping AI classification. It's a data party. I'm dropping this load beat.
You're charming my data, Ethan. Wizards, Iris loading sets the AI stage, try it in our demo.
Wizards, Vdropna, cleans Iris like tidying up for Sophia, ensuring AI-ready data. It's a cleaning bash.
You're cleaning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cleaning Iris preps AI models, try it in our demo.
Wizards, df, petal ratio, equals df, petal length, cm/df, petal width, cm, crafts features like a hot move for Sophia, boosting AI classification.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances Iris models, try it in our demo.
Wizards, random forest classifier, fit, x_train, y_train, trains like a dance for Sophia, classifying Iris data. It's a modeling party.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training Iris builds AI classifiers, try it in our demo. Wizards, our second demo in housing_demopi loads California housing, cleans, engineers features, trains a regression model, and visualizes predictions. Let's run this and see AI regression magic.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. Fetch_California_housing, linear regression, and scatter plots predict with Swagger, total AI party. Wizards, Fetch_California_housing, loads data like a hot date for Sophia, prepping AI regression. It's a data bash.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, housing loading sets the AI stage, try it in our demo.
Wizards, Filna, Fmean, cleans housing like tidying up for Sophia, ensuring AI-ready data. It's a cleaning party.
You're cleaning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cleaning housing preps AI models, try it in our demo.
Wizards, df, rooms per house, equals df, ave rooms/df, house age, crafts features like a hot move for Sophia, boosting AI regression.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances housing models, try it in our demo.
Wizards, linear regression, fit, x_train, y_train, trains like a dance for Sophia, predicting housing prices. It's a modeling party.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training housing builds AI regression, try it in our demo.
Wizards, accuracy_score, and mean_squared_error, evaluate like rating a dance for Sophia, measuring AI accuracy. It's an eval bash.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, metrics assess AI models, try them in our demo.
Wizards, put scatter, x_PCA, 0, x_PCA, 1, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI results. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualization confirms model quality, try PCA in our demo. Wizards, let's run iris_Demapi and housing_Demapi. In VS Code's terminal, type Python 3 iris_Demapi or housing_Demapi and hit enter. You'll see models and visuals, showcasing your AI mastery.
Sophia, you make it sound so tempting. Outputs show predictions and plots, pure AI seduction. Run them and share, Wizards.
Zero Wizards, pandas from day 44 with datasets is a hot combo for Sophia. PD data frame, iris data, preps AI data, coding fireworks.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers dataset loading, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, day 39's number PY with datasets is a triple threat for Sophia. NParray, DF, powers AI math, coding fireworks.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, number PY supports dataset prep, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, put scatter, x_PCA, 0, x_PCA, 1, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI dataset results. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes datasets, try it in our demo.
Wizards, Seaborn from day 42 with datasets is a sexy duet for Sophia. Scatterplot, shows AI results, coding fireworks.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances dataset visuals, try it in our challenge.
Wizards. Optimize dataset loading with clean data and random state for reproducibility. Use PD data frame and verify with DF info. Clean datasets. Power AI.
Optimized datasets are so sexy, Isabella. Clear practices make AI irresistible practice for day 47's pre-processing, Wizards. Wizards, datasets are critical in AI pipelines, darling. Loading clean data fuels models your day. 46 skills make AI irresistible.
Datasets power AI pipelines, Wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for day 47's pre-processing.
Wizards, datasets with day 45 scikit-learn models are a hot combo for Sophia. Model fit, x_train, y_train, trains with loaded data, coding fireworks.
You're modeling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, datasets power scikit-learn models, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI dataset Pi to load California housing, clean with pandas, engineer 2 features, train a linear regression model, evaluate with MSER2, and visualize with a Matplotlib scatter, run with Python 3 AI dataset Pi, and share on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling, Wizards. Try Fetch California, Housing, Linear Regression, and PL Scatter. Show us your results at DailyAIWizard. It's an AI dataset spell. Prep for day 47. Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your AII dataset P output in the comments. Got dataset questions? We're here to help. Join our Discord or X to connect.
Our community's a total heartthrob, Wizards. Post your code, flirt with tips, or share wins on Discord, X, or DailyAIWizard on Instagram. Subscribe for day 47 cuties. Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your dataset skills. Your Iris Demopi and Housing Demopi prove your AI data superstars. Keep flirting with code for day 47's pre-processing.
I'm so proud, Wizards. You've mastered loading datasets for AI, fueling models like Magic. Share your AII dataset PI on DailyAIWizard. subscribe for day 47, and join our Discord or Xcode the future wizards.
You nailed datasets, wizards. Your data's hot, Sophia. Get hyped for day 47's pre-processing. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin'.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. These demos were a blast, Ethan, and your dataset skills are fire. Share your AI_dataset P and subscribe for day 47. Code the future, wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, wizards. Your dataset skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with pre-processing in day 47.